What's going on, YouTubers? Today we're going to be making pecan and cashew toffee. Okay, those ingredients are going to consist of 2 cups of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 whole cups of your choice of nuts. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to add these 4 sticks of butter. Okay, we'll combine all ingredients. Sugar. Alright, and we also going to add water. And we're going to stir this until it all melts down. We want to turn it on low heat. Low heat. And we're going to stir this. We're going to put it on about medium heat. Waiting on that to just going to kind of mix everything in together. Get right and caramelize. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and spread our nuts. Now this right here is a cookie sheet with parchment paper on top. And what we're going to do here is just go ahead and spread the nuts. Go ahead and spread those. Because what we're going to do is we're going to pour our toffee on top of the nuts. Okay, and you want to keep stirring this. You got to keep stirring it because you don't want to cook it too fast. So you want to make sure it's down on low heat. And once we get this dissolved, we're going to bring it to a boiling temperature. Well, not a boiling temperature. We're going to bring it to a boil. Okay, we're back. Now it's starting to caramelize. That's the color we're looking for right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to add our vanilla flavoring. Turn off the heat. Give it a quick stir. Stir it. Make sure that vanilla is mixed in there. And you can see it's caramelizing. I still have it on the heat, but the eye is off. We want it to brown, but we don't want it to burn. Now we're going to pour that over this like so. Pour it over your nuts, and you want to get it as even as you can. There we go. All that out and all that goodness. That's all that goodness. Okay. We're gonna kind of just. Yeah. That's good. Now what we're gonna do is gonna get just a little of this kosher salt. If you want a sweet and salty, sweet and salty taste there. Alright, that should be good. Now we're going to wait till this cool, and then we'll come back and go from there. Well, we're back, and seems everything has hardened up, so now we just want to break them in pieces. See how that is? Look at that. Nice. Well, you just break them into pieces. However size you like them.